Generally, in my duration of practice, a lot of husband and wife have came in my chamber and they wanted to have divorce. Some of them want to have mutual. Some of them single parents, wife, and then, she want divorce because husband is not coming to her. He has got second marriage. Sometimes husband come for divorce because wife is staying in her matrimonial house and she is not coming for a longer time, and now the life of the husband is very stuck up because he has to look after home, his kids, as well as his business and himself also. And fourth thing, he cannot do together because he's not a woman. Woman has power because they are comparison with earth and they can do lot of work, but the men sometimes not able to do lot of work because of social moral, and sometimes their learning are such they are not being guided since childhood. They are their adoption their since childhood their working their living style is such that they have to look after them only, not for other person. So this kind of situation arise when they come into my chamber, and sometimes I'm very shocked because nowadays, as in modernized society, the rate of divorce has been increasing day by day, and it's very shocking also because the high court has also given direction and make a legal aid department especially for Hindu marriage act clients who are uh, fighting on petty matters and come to the court with number of cases. Must they come to the court, they have been advised seriously by the advocate, to the wife as well as husband, so that you can put a number of cases on your husband-in-laws also. Of course, now in 2024 there is a relaxation because there are so many changes in Hindu marriage act where the if the women are not correct and they are on the wrong path, then the court will look into the matter seriously. And if the man is on the wrong path, the court is already looking the matter very seriously because most of the time the power is being given to the woman in Hindu marriage act. The ladies has more power, but now the now the system as per law, because the court has also observed number of time and lot of reports and findings are there where it has been observed that women are misusing their right in Hindu marriage act. The law has been changed, so it's very nice. But my question arises in my mind, why the divorce arise nowadays? Why so happen? The reason behind this, in older stage there were simple life and not there were no malls. The people were going to the park and enjoying picnic there, and they were going with along with their family, their kids, making food at home of their choice, husband choice, kids choice, and they were eating only ice cream outside, fruit ice cream and fruit chaat, etc. Normal routine eating work, and they were enjoying the whole day and come back at home, and the whole day, whole week they are busy in their work, or whole month they are busy in their work. But nowadays, system are being changed. Earlier, the women are having lot of patience. They were doing lot of work since morning till evening. They were busy in the work, and they always had a target that they have to do lot of work for their kids as well as for their husband also. And if they are educated, they are educating kids also. So there were no ego clash. Even the mother-in-law, father-in-law are very simple, and they were normally behaving with the daughter-in-law also, not asking for something special. And daughter-in-law the whole day busy in working. Even the mother-in-law also help her daughter-in-law. But now the in modernized system, the so lot of changes are there. Now the divorce are being happen due to ego clash. That ego clash is, you have not done this thing, why you discuss about my relative, my parents, why you ask something about my parents, why you said so this thing to my parents, to my mother. And if I am going to my mother's house, parents house, and if I am not informing you, why you are taking it seriously. And law in their law, the ego clash comes that while going she didn't ask us that she is going to her parents house. This is very bad, and so many times it's happened there. So in many interferences also from the parent side of boys as well as girls also. And this is the reason that cases are being increased, divorce cases are being increased. And most of the time court is full of family matters related to dowry, related to maintenance, related to divorce, related to section 9, she is not staying, and domestic violence act, where the girls involve her parents in-laws of husband also, and as well as sister also. Even the sister is not involved, still she is taking the name of sister-in-law also, because that's why the reason is now the law is being changed. If the sister is not staying with them, she will not be involved. And if it is being proved that sister she is staying out of station and her husband also station, then she should not be involved in the matter, and if she is involved, that she should be deleted from the file also. So though many things are there, but still the because of immaturity, that the girls doesn't want to do homework, she want modernized style, she has to wear modernized dresses, and but a lot of she has to eat not from home but from outside. And every day if she is eating, then the in-laws asking the question, raising their eyebrows, why you are eating from the outside every time, because that will spoil the budget also, as well as your health also, and wealth also. So you should avoid. Then the girl feel bad, she called her parents, has told husband not listening, and she rang up parents as well as her relatives came, and they started fighting. So these kind of situation arise, and then after when the matter goes to the court, the girl only attack on the dowry matter, that they were demanding dowry, the boy was demanding dowry, that's why I come to the court, or he's demanding cash money because I'm a poor girl, I'm not working. Sometimes so happen the husband has taken a heavy loan on the house, he's not able to build a house, so he has taken a big loan for staying in the house so that they can save the money for rent house, because nowadays rent is very costly. If they have to make, they have to maintain status, then they cannot pay so much rent. Then the thought ki instead of paying so much rent, why they can't buy take a house on a loan basis, and they will pay the rent and both are paying together. But dispute arise, and the house is in the name of the wife, and after when the matter goes to the court, the wife deny that she will be the actual owner and possession of the house, and boy doesn't stand there, he has not spent a single paisa. So this kind of situation arise in the court, which I feel very bad. When you got married, whether it's a love marriage, is a arranged marriage, it's basically an agreement between both the parties, where husband as well as wife both are equally responsible, and they should look after their family very well. They should be very mature, and they should not do all this immature work in the home, and spoil themselves as well as their family also. And secondly, the ego clash should not be there. Once you get married, if the ego clash come, then also the problem come. If the ego clash is not there, the family will stay happily. Third time, if the interference from the parent side, either from the girl side or from the boy side, should not be there. If they interfere in a personal and private matter, they should be strictly prohibited, that they should not interfere, so that their married life should not be disturbed, and they should live happy and married life. So these are so many things are there. If they do, then divorce can be avoided. So I hope you will find this information productive. So if this kind of situation arises that your client is coming, you can always discuss with them. And I keep on loading this kind of information so much. Thank you so much for listening to me. Regards.